Here at Sapphire, delivering a quality product that is right and to specification is of the utmost importance to us. Sapphire's Passport app is part of a cutting-edge approach to ensure quality at every stage. The first part of glide-on balconies are the anchors, which are checked to ensure they're installed correctly prior to being cast. Once cast, arms are checked. Like car production lines, Passport enforces step-by-step quality checks at each assembly stage. If a balcony defect is found, the balcony is stopped and rectified before continuing. Cassette balconies are not fabricated, they're a modular assembly and reliant on process rather than skill. Once the design is approved, each balcony ID is loaded into Passport. We now move into the factory, where assembly checks start. After the cassette frame is assembled, it's checked. When the soffits are added to the frame, again the app checks need to be completed before moving on to the next stage. Decking is the next process check. After that, the balustrade is fitted to the balcony and checked against the quality standards specified in the app. Dependent on customers' fascia choice, they are either added before or after the balustrade. After the balcony is complete, the final check is done before the balcony can leave the production facility. Independent from the factory QA, Sapphire's quality team assesses the completed balconies and sign off with a final acceptance check. The balconies are then moved into secure storage to await dispatch. Once we have had go-ahead from site that they are ready for the balconies, they are dispatched. After the balconies have been delivered to site, installers and customers complete a joint sign-off on the Passport app. After installing the balcony, Sapphire-accredited installers carry out an install check, which produces an install completion certificate. Lastly, there is the client handover, completing a full documented history of the balcony being delivered right.